Hi, greetings of the day. I am Ayush Maurya, student of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. The topic of my seminar presentation is use of municipal solid waste as in construction of concrete structure. In this slide, we will see introduction of municipal solid waste, and in the next slide, we will see introduction of municipal solid waste as. Basically, municipal solid waste is also known as garbage, and we are familiar that it has two prominent parts. First one is biodegradable materials, and the second one is non-biodegradable materials. Plastic waste is a prominent part of municipal solid waste, and it is also a non-biodegradable material. If we talk about the availability of municipal solid waste in India, nearly zero point 0.4 to 0.5 kilogram per capita per day of MSW is being produced in India, which amounts nearly 62.3 billion tons of municipal solid waste. Such a huge amount of MSW is being produced in our country, and the disposal of this huge amount of MSW is an aggravating problem before us. Now, in the next slide, we will see introduction of MSW as fly ash, or we can say MSWS. It is basically residue which is obtained by the incineration process of municipal solid waste in a controlled environment, or we can say in incineration plants. It has density of 1400 to 1500 kilogram per cubic meter that makes it perfect for being used in construction practices. It is easily and locally available at the nearest municipal solid waste plant. So incineration plant, so the transportation cost for this aggregate is lesser, that makes the construction overall economical. MSW as can be used in concrete composite concrete as an admixture because it has cementitious property. In the in the table in the next slide we will see that SiO2 and CaO are two prominent parts of MSWS that are very important for cementitious property. The properties of composite concrete, which which is being prepared by using MSW fly ash, is enlisted here. High strength, low cost, lightweight, easy to work. If we talk about the high strength property of composite concrete, it is a desirable property because all type of concrete which are being used in construction practices are required to have high strength. Low cost, since it is locally available, since the element that is used in composite concrete are locally available, and so the overall cost is low. Lightweight, it helps to reduce the dead load of the structure, and easy to work. If composite concrete has the property of easy to work, then we will have to pay a lesser amount of remuneration to the laborers. Materials used in composite concrete: cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, mineral admixture, municipal solid waste as. That is, mineral admixture is basically municipal solid waste as. Types of municipal solid waste as. Basically, municipal solid waste as has two prominent parts. First one is bottom ash residue, and the second one is fly ash residue. If we talk about the composition of these two, then these two have different composition, and composition of MSW fly ash is given here. 24 to 27% of lime, some silicate and aluminosilicates are present in MSW fly ash. In this table we can see SiO2, which is nearly 27%, and calcium oxide nearly 16.42% in MSW fly ash. That gives cementitious property to fly ash. MSW fly ash can be used in concrete, ceramics, glass and glass ceramics, road pavements, embankments. So composite concrete can be prepared by using fly ash in the following manners. MSW treated bottom ash can be used in production of concrete. If we replace 50% of required gravel for preparing M25 by using treated bottom-S, we will find that the composite concrete will have the same strength after 28 days as the conventional concrete has the strength. And if we want to replace this cement by using municipal solid waste fly ash, we can do it. Nearly 30% of cement by weight can be replaced by using MSW fly ash. And after 28 days, this composite concrete will have also the same strength as the conventional concrete has. These type of practices are being carried in many western countries. We can find the examples such as Belgium, a member of European Union, has adopted use of municipal solid waste in concrete structures since 2006. And Wallonia in Belgium is a leading state in this way of construction, and many other European Union members are adopting this method. This is a trend of western countries nowadays. If we talk about the advantage of using MSWS in concrete, we can find that the best way of utilization of municipal solid waste is, and so there is there is an option of the disposal of municipal solid waste. Lightweight, easy to work, and feasibility provides the economical construction. And the